భాగ్యనగరం మెస్సీ మేనియాతో ఊగిపోతోంది. వరల్డ్ ఫేమస్ ఫుట్బాల్ ప్లేయర్ లియోనెల్ మెస్సీ హైదరాబాద్ లో అడుగుపెట్టారు. రాత్రి ఉప్పల్ స్టేడియంలో మెస్సీ టీంతో ఫ్రెండ్లీ ఫుట్బాల్ మ్యాచ్ ఆడనున్నారు సీఎం రేవంత్ రెడ్డి. మెస్సీ టీం ప్రత్యర్థి జట్టు సింగరేణి 9RR కెప్టెన్ గా సీఎం రేవంత్ వ్యవహరించనున్నారు. ఈ మ్యాచ్ కోసం ఉప్పల్ స్టేడియంలో భారీ ఏర్పాట్లు చేశారు. 2500 మంది పోలీస్ సిబ్బంది బందోబస్తులో ఉండనున్నారు.
The security elements are in full swing going on here. Our preparation levels are quite in advance. We started doing it. Then we have got 4,000 police personnel on the duty now, and we got more platoons from battalion. So that whatever the areas we can strengthen, we already done. Then we've been telling the public that this match is not kind of full-fledged match. It's only for 1 hour time. We're playing here for 1 hour time. Later on, there will be clinic, there will be interaction with the public. So nothing of that sort which you're thinking which happens somewhere in other part of city. They have camaraderie and will understand their crisis. But here things are different. Here the capacity of the stadium is 39,500. We allow tickets have been sold only for 24,000. All put together inside. A lot of buffer. And we got a lot of row parties there. Then we have platoons around. The entire area is barricaded. Access control is done. And wherever is required, we have come up with a new concertina coil and then some other security systems in place. And then people who work there, the expertise we brought over here. Then we are doing a lot of frisking so that these issues which you feel like can work as a missile, like in the kind of situation. Unrest is there. That situation is not here. And then since from the beginning we have been telling that this is only kind of 7-7 match, so it's not a full-fledged match. Then nothing of that sort of situations which are some other cities there would be here.
Right. So also Rahul Gandhi and Lionel Messi, they are going to be coming. So it would be starting on the same time on 7 o'clock?
Yeah, certainly it will be. But this and that side, it will be there because 3 important leaders, Honorable CM sir and leader of opposition of Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi ji is also will be here. Then Messi will be here. So different flights are coming over here. Half an hour this side, that side, maybe there. But to entertain people coming for spectators, there are other cultural programs are on. So that they're tuned for.
No, it's fortunate for us, especially our state of Telangana and in the beautiful city of Hyderabad. A player like Messi coming here to participate in a friendly match. That too between Messi 11 versus Chief Minister 11 is very, we are all very enthusiastic and we are hope to see that match, even it may be for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. A great messiah of sport, that to a great footballer of the century is coming down to our city. But many a times we see, these sort of incidents happen in 1 out of 100. And that would not be example over here. Here the police, here our administration have taken all the due precautionary measures. And quietly and subtly and loudly we said this is a match, a friendly match, a exhibition match which will be over a span of 15 to 20 minutes. That's all.